If you're watching this, you're probably a big Samsung fan, but for those of you who aren't, you might be wondering, can you use the Ring without a Samsung phone? And the answer to this is yes. In fact, almost every feature of the Galaxy Ring will work with pretty much any modern Android phone. Now keep in mind it does not work with iPhones, so if you're an Apple user, unfortunately, you're going to have to skip this one. So you decided that you want a Galaxy Ring, and you're trying to figure out your ring size. The best bet is to use a sizing kit. It comes with 9 different plastic rings that you can wear for around 24 to 48 hours to see which one feels right. Once you find the size that fits best, you can order your ring in that size. Just be cautious when choosing. Nobody wants a ring that's too tight since your fingers can change size a little bit over time. But you also don't want it to be too loose. That's why using the sizing kit is super important before you buy. When it comes to sleep tracking, the Galaxy Ring really gets into the nitty-gritty. It syncs with the Samsung Health app to keep tabs on your sleep stages, skin temp, blood, oxygen levels, and heart rate all wrapped up in a single sleep score out of 100. Plus, it can even detect snoring if your phone's close enough to your bed. And there's a unique feature of the Galaxy Ring is its automatic workout detection, which is great for those who don't want to pull out their phone every time they start a walk or run. But this feature only works for those 2 activities, so if you do a wide range of exercises like yoga or Pilates, it's not fully optimized. Heart rate data doesn't display during these activities either, and it's not ideal for weightlifting according to Samsung. GPS tracking is also absent, so if you're without your phone, you'll only see general activity metrics in Samsung Health. So, would you get a Samsung Galaxy Ring instead of a smartwatch? Well, the 2 main reasons are that the Galaxy Ring doesn't have a display, so therefore, its battery life is going to be a lot better than a smartwatch. Second, it's a lot smaller than a smartwatch, so it's less obtrusive, it's not going to get caught in your shirt sleeve, and it's going to be a lot more comfortable for things like sleeping. With better battery life on the Galaxy Ring than on your traditional smartwatch, you're going to be able to get 24/7 health tracking. You are probably wondering just how long a Samsung Galaxy Ring will actually last on your finger. So, depending on the size of the ring that you get, you should get about 6 to 7 days of battery life off of one charge. So putting all together, you should get about 15 to 16 days of battery life without needing to go to an outlet. It's perfectly designed for 24/7 wear. One of the fun extras Samsung has added is gesture control, where a double pinch can let you remotely control your phone to take a photo or stop an alarm as long as you're on One UI 6.1 or newer. Right now, it's only available on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. I tested it during a demo, and it feels like a good preview of future functionality, but I'd love to see more gestures supported similar to what Galaxy Watch users have. Don't think of the Galaxy Ring as not having a lot of features. Think of it as just being something that specifically does only a few things on purpose. And since the Ring is so simple, it is IP68 rated, so you can take it into the shower without an issue. And it's also 10 ATM rated, which means it can go as deep as 100 meters down, which is about 328 feet. Now, should you get both, the Galaxy Ring and the smartwatch? If you already use a Galaxy Watch, you might wonder if it's worth getting both, because Samsung Health only pulls data from one device at a time, and I noticed it often defaults to the Galaxy Watch. This might make having both feel redundant, unless you're interested in wearing the Ring instead of a watch for sleep tracking, or if you manage to get a discount with a trade-in. But who can't buy this Ring? Well, the most obvious person is somebody with an iPhone. You cannot use the Galaxy Ring because it will not connect to your phone, so you're going to have to skip this one and get an Aura Ring instead, because Aura does support both Android and iOS. But keep in mind, Aura also requires a subscription. Overall, the Galaxy Ring is ideal for those who want simple, detailed tracking without distractions or frequent charging. It's especially strong on sleep data, but if you're looking for deep, actionable wellness advice, it might fall a bit short. Still, for Android users and Samsung fans, it's an exciting new gadget worth checking out. So that's it for today's video. If you like the Galaxy Ring, you'll find the link down in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button to stay updated with our latest tech video.